Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain exist transformation in Synapse data flow. So what is exist transformation? Exist transformation is similar to what we have exist and not exist in a SQL. Okay. Now to perform a exist transformation, we need a two data set. Okay. So this is my first data set and this is my second data set. Okay, so in the first data set I have a sales information and in the second data set I have a product information. Okay, now let's go to the exist transformation. Okay, and we can see here exist type I am using exist, and we have another one called don't exist. Okay, so let's remove this custom expression. Okay, now what I am going to check here, source 1 is my sales and right stream source 2 where I have a dim product or can say product information. So here I am trying to check my product key that is in a sales transformation is exist in that is in sales source, whether that exists in my product table or not. If it's exist in product table, then only I want to get that row in the output. If it does not exist, then I don't want to get that in the input. Okay, so let me explain you with another example. I just want to show one small Excel sheet, then I will run that. So assume this is my sales table. Okay, in this sales table I have a column product key, sale, quantity, and many things. Okay, but I need to focus on product key. I have a product key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I have one more table called product. Okay, so in product table I have a product key, name, unit price, like that. Okay, and here also I have a key like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the use of exist transformation is to check the value of column exists in another data source or not. Okay, so this is my first source. Let's give the name sale. Okay, and this is my second source. Here let's give the name product. Okay, now I just want to get the row of sales data source where the product key must exist in the product source. Okay, so just example, this one is existing here, second one existing here, third one existing here, fourth one, fifth one is not existing. So I don't want to get this fifth row in my output. Okay, so in this case what I have to do, I have to even these things I can achieve through SQL or many way, but here I am explaining exist transformation, use of exist transformation in Synapse or Azure Data Factory data flow transformation. So here I took sales one and another product source. Then I came to this exist transformation. Here my left stream is sale, right stream is product, and now I am checking exist type. I am using exist and trying to match product key of sales column exist in product exists in a right column called product source. Okay, so if it exists, then that particular row goes to output. If does not, then it will be I can say filter out. Okay, so this is the first case. Now second case will be or does not exist. Okay, so exist one we understood, now does not exist. So if I apply does not exist, then one exists. Okay, then this one will not, this row will not go to the output. Second one also exists, so this will also not go to the output. This is the fifth one that does not exist in product table. It means it is fulfilling the condition. If I use does not exist, means based on the example, this fifth value does not exist in product table, means this is fulfilling the condition and it is true. So only this fifth value goes to the output, not 1 2 3 4. If we use does not exist, but when we use exist, then only matching value will go to the output. So this is the use of exist and does not exist a transformation in Synapse, or can say in Azure Data Factory data flow transformation, just to find some particular column that exists in another source or not, or whether or that particular column value that does not exist in another source. Okay, so apart from here, I have given one condition, but I have an option to add one more condition. So now in the another condition, I can select another column and I can try to match another column. Okay, so let me remove this. Now I have only one column, but we have an option to add multiple conditions. Okay, so instead of this exist normal straightforward condition, we have an option to add a custom expression. So here we can see when I click on custom expression, it is giving source one at the rate product key equal to this. Okay, so here we can add our own condition. We can give and then we can add one more condition. Instead of and, we can go with or, and we can add our one more condition. So this is just a custom expression part. Okay, if we don't want to go straightforward, then we can go with this custom expression also. The thing, let me go to the builder. So here we have the option to create a custom expression. Okay, now how to write custom expression, these things I explained in expression videos. Okay, so this is, but I am just explaining we have an option to write some custom expression instead of going with a straightforward. Otherwise, if we have a straightforward, we can go with the straightforward, but if we have some complex logic to find data of one source into another source, then we can go with custom expression. Thank you.